Hello! Today we made this yummy, easy, delectable, soft cheese. Stay tuned to know how we made it. And remember to subscribe, like, and share. Malika Queen cooks Mediterranean cuisine. Hello and welcome to Malika Queen cooks Mediterranean cuisine. Today we will make cheese. Yes. It's an easy recipe for cheese, so stay tuned to see how we make it. Now, for the ingredients, we need milk. Whole milk is the best, and either a lemon or apple cider vinegar or even regular vinegar. So either or you can mix a little bit of this and a little bit of that and start. Of course, you start by pouring the milk in a pot. Now, turn the heat medium on the milk. I poured half the quantity, half a gallon. And don't bring it to a boil, just warm it up, which is the stage right before boiling. I started squeezing half a lemon. I will need about 1 tablespoon of the lemon, or the apple cider vinegar, or just simple vinegar. It's an old technique if you don't have a thermometer. I don't. So I'm gonna take my small finger and yep, that's the temperature I want. It's not boiling, as you can see. I will stop it right now and then pour the lemon juice or the vinegar to separate the curd from the whey. You will also notice that there is some steam coming up. That's when you know that you've reached the temperature you want. Now I will pour the lemon juice freshly squeezed into the milk, and it should separate the curd from the whey. And mix it a bit and let it do its magic. You see, it's starting to separate. Let's see if it's obvious. Yep. And it's at this point that you should add your salt or any seasoning you like. The curd and the whey are separating, as you can see. I will wait for it. That's all the lemon juice we have. When it's separating, then I have my cheesecloth. I will pour all of this in the cheesecloth. This is my cheesecloth, my old cheesecloth. It's overused. I wash it every time I use it, and it's my beautiful cheesecloth. So now I'm gonna pour the milk. You see the whey and curds are separated. I will pour it in the cheesecloth. You see, it's dripping. Now I will let it drip until it's completely out of water. And if you don't have a cheesecloth, you can use a simple strainer, but try to put any piece of clean cloth under or on top of the strainer. Well, this is the other half of the gallon. I was talking to my friend and she heard that I'm making cheese and she wanted some, so I'm making this for her. So because it's such an easy process that you can make it at home and you know what's in it and you know that it's healthy and it's not processed. And so this is going to be my gift to her. I wanted to show you how beautifully the curd and the whey are separating. You see? That's beautiful. That's when you strain it. This is the cheese after I removed it from the cheesecloth. You can consume it as such. Look at that. That's the mark of the cheesecloth. As such, or you can add salt. No, you can just enjoy it. Here's a tiny piece I will try. There's another tiny piece that fell off that I will try. Very yummy. I taste the lemon because I used the freshly squeezed lemon, You can enjoy it as such, like I said, or add some salt and then mix it. So, and then assemble it again, put it in a container. Of course, you have to put it in the fridge and enjoy it. For me, I will add some salt to it, and I think I will add some caraway seeds. We'll see. You see here, I added the salt with a clean hand. There's still salt in my hand because I washed my hands. So I just wanted to show you how I do it. You see the texture. I let it dry for about 3 hours and a half. You don't have to. You can shorten the period. I just happened to be out during that time. So I added salt. I'm mixing it, and then I will put it in a container and give it the shape. Remember, it had the shape of the cloth. Now it should have the shape of the new container, but this is the texture. So this is after I added salt to it. I decided not to add anything. I will add any type of seeds as I am consuming it. So if I wanted to have it with honey, I can have it with honey plain. If I wanted to have it with something salty, I can add any type of seed that day. Now I will put it in the fridge, and maybe I will cut just a tiny piece so we can see it. It should be in the fridge for a tiny bit. Now this is the final product. As you see, I drizzled it with some olive oil and some black pepper. I'm gonna enjoy it with some crackers. I have some fresh basils, and this is our final cheese product. I hope that you get to try it, and remember to subscribe, like, and share. Malika Queen Cooks Mediterranean Cuisine, where you find easy, healthy, yummy recipes. Subscribe, like, and share. Until we cook again. Thank you.